Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to look at a 2002 Sea Ray 220 Select. Let's start in the exterior right here and we'll do a quick walk around of it. So just look at the condition of this boat individually. For a 2002, look at the back Sundeck here, as it is extremely clean and free of most stains and debris on it. So this is a very, very common Sea Ray model. And we've been a Sea Ray dealer for many, many years now, and have collectively came together and found out that, hey, this is a very common model, and we're probably gonna be trying to get more of these guys in. So as we walk around, just kind of think about yourself in this boat, because it's a very possible situation. So this has the main hull color being in the two-tone green, and then your white cream Sea Ray color from this year. Absolutely an amazing look to it. As you can tell, that is not a sticker, that is gel. And then as we walk around, the condition of this particular boat is absolutely immaculate, minus, you know, some of your small typical first boat dings. But in absolutely amazing condition and stored in a dry stack facility with only about 80 hours on it in total. So again, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you guys are interested in finding a model like this guy right here, please let us know and we will source one out for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys.